Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So audio overview and video overview are among NotebookLM's most popular features, but sometimes they refuse to load, stay stuck on generating, fail to start, or never finish processing. Fortunately, most audio overview and video overview problems are caused by temporary issues, oversized notebooks, browser conflicts, or source processing errors. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix this problem, simple and effective. So first thing you can do is wait longer than expected. So many users assume the feature is frozen when it's still processing. So generation speed depends on notebook size, number of source, PDF length, current server load. So large notebooks can take several minutes. So patience solves more issues than users expect. Confirm all sources finished processing, like before generating audio overview or video overview. Check that PDFs finished uploading, websites finished processing, YouTube sources imported successfully. No source shows an error, so generation often fails when sources are still being analyzed. Fully processed sources improve reliability. Then refresh the notebook, like close the notebook and reopen it. Then reload the page, like return to the notebook, retry the generation. Temporary session issues can sometimes cause loading loops. Okay, so a fresh session often fixes minor glitches. Reduce the number of sources, like extremely large notebooks can occasionally create processing bottlenecks. Like try creating a smaller text notebook containing one PDF, one article, a few sources only, so then generate the overview again. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.